Some examples that I've seen in the field is one of the things that the printing industry doesn't give a lot of thought to is compressed air. A lot of machines out there use compressed air, and they use air solenoids and valves and everything else, and they don't drain their systems, or they don't have a dryer. If they have a big in-house system, they don't have a dryer on them. And what I've seen in the past is that not maintaining that system, not doing the preventative maintenance on your compressed air systems can cause the rest of your machines to go down. Be it a solenoid valve that's just not working all the time. Sometimes it turns the switch on and off. Sometimes it doesn't turn the switch on and off. Where if you clean those systems regularly, drain your compressor weekly, make sure there's no moisture in it, it really helps with those systems working, and it's a small cost to doing better and more efficient business.